Hello grade 5s. Today we're going to look at page 74 and 75 in your English Rainbow book. It's about making something to eat. Now I'm not going to give you a whole lot of instructions here because the instructions are very, very well set out in your book. So you need to read it. It says let's read. Read the situation. Then you're going to have a look at the ingredients and the method. Okay. After that, we're going to answer the questions here. We know we're not working in groups, unfortunately. You're going to write down the questions that you think are the answers. Somebody can check it for you after you've written in the answers. Then you're going to go to page 75. What a lovely looking picture there. Makes me hungry. So you're going to complete the sentences to explain the steps that Tummy followed to make the smoothies. So you can use your own initiative here, but you can base it on what you see in that book, on that page there. Then, how will Tummy serve the smoothies? How do you think her brother and sister felt? So you say why they felt like that. And over here, we've got combine the simple sentences to make complex sentences. Use the words in brackets. Okay. And over here, on the side, they explain to you what a simple sentence is and what a complex sentence. So I'm leaving it up to you to read through these instructions very carefully and apply what you know on this side here to that side. Make sure it's nice and neat. There won't be a memo for this because you can do this on your own and get somebody at home to help you. That is absolutely fine. Please make note of the structure or the format of a recipe if you're making a recipe. Okay, you're going to, with a recipe you have to have your heading will be something like make something to eat, or making a smoothie. There's the heading there, make your own smoothie. Then you will list all the ingredients, but you will have the quantities of the ingredients as well. You won't just say mashed bananas, you'll say how much of that do you need. You won't just say milk, you'll say how much milk you need. Then with your method you will have a numbered sentences starting with, do you remember? These are called imperative verbs in the imperative tense, okay? So those are imperatives. If you're not sure, go back to the previous exercise that we did on page 72 or 73 to remind you what imperatives are. Enjoy.